All right, I am recording a short video on how to submit your appraisal reports to the Drive. I'm doing this because I'm trying to get it better organized because people are uploading their appraisal reports and sometimes they're not putting them in the right place and it's kind of making it a little easier for me. So this will be a quick video. First, let me say I really appreciate hard work everybody's doing, and that this daggone thing is moving quickly. First of all, three important steps we're going to talk about: the name of the appraisal file, where to upload it, and how to text me after you upload. Because what I'm doing is I think I'm missing some of the reports because of the way they're being uploaded. And some people are not letting me know when they're uploading them, and I'm another reason I'm missing them. So it's taking a little bit too long. Right now, it looks like we've got this system in place that once I email the appraisals off to State Farm, it is taking about 6 working days if everything's okay to receive payment. So this will be moving pretty fast. All right, the name of the appraisal file. I'd like a claim number and add as a PDF file in the name. At least that. You can add some other things. An example is Oscar Sistrunk. I've got a file number here and an address, my old address in Atlanta. I need the name because I got to store files. I want to store them and sort them by your name. The claim number is used by State Farm. So when they reference the appraisal, I need that file name. I may have that claim number in the file name would really help. And then third, address. If you put the address in it, that allows me to track it in the database a little better. So if you just add those three things, if you haven't done it yet, just do it for the future ones. And I'm going in there and changing them as I go. I should have done this earlier, but again, the next thing is where to upload. And let me open this up a little bit. If you notice, this is my drive here. You've got the appraisal information where you put your W-9 form and your resume and license. I need you to put your completed report in this folder called completed report. And I need you to put your invoices in this folder called invoices. This is the folder where I put the appraisal folders. I mean, the folders for the properties that you're going to appraise. Some people have created additional folders, and I have to hunt through to find the actual appraisal that you uploaded. I found people went back into the folder of the original property and stuck it in there. So I'd appreciate if you could stick it in here where it says completed report. I'll then move it from there. If you want to keep track of your properties and which ones you've already done, you can go into the single family properties and you can change the name of the folder to include the word completed or C as in cat or finished or upload, something like that, so you'll know which ones you still have to do and not do. And you can make those changes. But if you would do that, that would help. And then what I need done is please send me a text after you uploaded your reports. Text me the number of reports that you uploaded and the property address or addresses. And that would be it. So those three steps would really help me in terms of trying to control this thing and manage it and get it done. So again, submitting the really appreciate if you could follow these three short steps.